Is your after renovation cleaning service insured and safe for newly renovated surfaces?
Absolutely. Your home is in safe, expert hands. We understand that renovations involve significant emotional and financial investment, and we treat every surface with the same care we would our own. Our service includes comprehensive insurance coverage, including public liability and accidental damage. Cleaners who are fully trained to handle high-end surfaces like natural stone, polished concrete, matte tapware, mirror splashbacks, custom cabinetry, and more. Use of non-toxic pH balanced products that won't corrode, scratch, or dull your finishes. Detailed attention to instructions, whether it's avoiding natural timber oils, treating marble gently, or leaving new paintwork untouched. Our after builders cleaning teams in Melbourne are known for their professionalism, respect, and reliability, which is why so many of our clients are architects, designers, builders, and luxury homeowners who trust us to finish the job right.